lovely people, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing great from wherever you're watching me from. You're welcome to my channel, TS3350. Today we are going to be unboxing this Canon printer. Before we go into this unboxing, I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel and you love to watch unboxing videos and little more of genuine immigration information, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell of notification on so you'll be aware whenever I post new videos. Okay, this is very simple unboxing of this printer from Canon. You can also use to scan. You can use this to photocopy. This is a 3 or 4-in-1 machine. Okay, and it is good to note that it is wireless. You can connect with your phone through Bluetooth or laptop. You can also print in 2 colors, black and white, and other colors. Okay, now to set up this machine is very easy. You could always check for online setup at their website, or there's also a manual attached or added to the packaging. Once you buy it and you unbox it like I'm doing today, you will see they have a color and a black ink for you as a start and few papers. They also have that you should open the cover, remove the orange tape, close back the cover, connect the power cord, press on, and your machine is on. Then you begin to attach or connect with your phone to print, to scan, or to photocopy. Photocopy, you just put what you want to photocopy in, and then you photocopy in whichever color you want, black and white or in colors. Okay, there's also instruction on how to load papers, how to fix the ink. Okay, there are a lot of things that are stated here when you are reading the manuals. Okay, very simple to use, it's not complicated, all is very easy through Wi-Fi. Okay, it is wireless. Okay, now we've come to the end of this unboxing. All you need to know, stay tuned for more updates on how to use this machine. Okay, thank you all for watching to this point, and like I said earlier, if you love what I do, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like so that more people can get to see it. And until my next video, take care, stay healthy, bye bye.